Now we are going to see the lesson on killing a tree. The author name is Give Patel. The author Give Patel is one of the prominent Indian poet. Prominent means outstanding Indian poet. His famous works includes Evening, Forensic Medicine, and From Bombay Central. He wrote 3 plays. He, he has been conducting a poetry workshop in Rishi Valley School. Now come to the lesson. What is tree? Tree is a greeny natural source to life. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. Why trees are important for our survival? Tree gives food, oxygen, furniture, shelter. It also brings rains. So it is important for our survival. How long does it take a tree to grow to its full size? Trees grow throughout their lives. For example, a white oak tree can reach its full size after 3 centuries. It is growing 3 centuries. How much time does it take it to cut down a tree? Within 30 minutes, we can cut a tree with a modern axe. It is growing 300 years, a oak tree, but we cut it within a 30 minutes. In this lesson, the poet explained the process of killing a tree and also he speaks about the pains of the trees. When you are cutting, how the tree faces the pain. Also, we grow tree and we don't cut the trees. This is the theme of this poem. Come to the line. It takes much time to kill a tree. We cannot easily kill a tree. Not a simple shape of knife. We cannot cut a tree with a simple knife. Will do it. If you cut a tree with a knife, it has grown. It again grows. It produces new leaves and branches, slowly consuming the earth. Consuming means take nutrients. The trees take nutrients, the minerals and water from the earth. Rising out, feeding. Feeding means it takes minerals and nutrients, water from the earth by root and feeding it. How it feed it? By using carbon dioxide, water and minerals, it produces food. So it is feeding the nutrients and water and carbon dioxide. Upon its crust, absorbing. Where from it takes minerals and water? It takes minerals and water from the earth crust. Absorbing means sucking up. It sucks up minerals and water from the earth crust. Years of sunlight. It uses the sunlight every day. Air, water. It absorbs carbon dioxide through stomata and absorb water by root. and out of its leprous hide. It using sunlight, air and water, and it produces new leaves from the bark of a tree. Leprous hide means the bark of a tree is compared to the skin of the leprous skin. The bark of a tree is compared to the leprous skin. By using the sunlight, air and water, it produces a new leaves from the bark of the tree. Sprouting leaves. Sprouting means growth of the plant or germination. New leaves, flowers or germinate from the bark of the trees. So, hack and sap. Hack and sap means cut. If you cut the trees, but this alone won't do it. You can't simply destroy it by cutting a tree. Not so much pain will do it. When you are cutting a tree, the tree faces much pain. The bleeding parts will heal. When you are cutting a bark, the white fluid came out from the cut places. It is called as a bleeding bark. Will kill. Kill means it cured after a few months and from close to the ground. If you cut the tree nearer to the ground, will rise curled green twigs from the cut part, from the cut trunk. New curled green leaves are germinate from the trunk of the tree. Will rise curled green twigs. Curled green twigs means small branches rises from the cut portion of the tree. Miniature boughs. Miniature means small. Small branches are developed from the cut part, which if unchecked will expand again. Which if unchecked will expand again. If you cut again, you check the growth of the plant. If unchecked means if you don't cut the miniature boughs, the tree will again grow to former size. The tree grows like a big tree. From the cut part, the tree is grown in big size, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. If you don't cut again, the green twigs grown like a big tree. No, the root is to be pulled out. We cannot cut the tree easily. The no means we cannot cut the tree easily. The root is to be pulled out. If you want to cut the tree, you take the roots out. One of the anchoring earth. The root is anchoring. Anchoring means grip. Grip. The roots present in the trees grip the earth. That is called as anchoring earth. It is to be roped tied. Be tied the tree and pulled out, snapped out. And pulled out means take out. Snapped, seize fully the trees. Or pulled out entirely. Wholly take out the plant. Wholly take out means you take out the roots also. out from the earth cave. The roots are spread in the earth cave. The holes present in the earth. The roots are spread throughout the earth. And the strength of the tree is exposed. The strength is present in the roots of the tree. Now you roped and tied you tied the rope to the plant and snapped out and take out fully from the earth crust. That means you take out the strength of the tree exposed and kept on the ground. The source white bed inside the trees. Source means the things present inside the tree is white in colors. The stem present inside the tree is white in color. Also it is bedded, have a water. The most sensitive hidden. Sensitive means soft and tender. The white part present inside the stem is soft and tender. It is hidden. It is hidden inside the bark. For years inside the earth. The root is present inside the earth for many years. The root is white in colors. It is wet. It is a wet part. Then the matter. The matter means substance, material. The materials taken out from the earth. The tree is pulled out by rope it and take out entirely from the earth cave. The material present in the trees is called as the material present in the trees is called as matter. Of scorching and soaking. Scorching means very hot. Soaking means check growth. To check the growth of the plant, you are spread the taken out part of the trees in the sunlight, in sun and the air. You dry the plant in sun and the air. Browning, hardening. When you are dry out the trees in the sun and air, it is changed into brown in colors and hardening. Hardening means rough. It changed into rough part. Twisting. The water are evaporated, so it is twisted, bent and withering. Withering means destroy. And then it is done. Then only the trees will die. Now you come to the first part of the poem. Find out the rhyming scheme for the first 4 lines. Tree, knee, the last word is tree, knife, crone, earth. There is no rhyming word. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D. Next, find out the rhyming scheme for next 5 lines. Feeding and observing is rhyming words. So we give the letter A, B, C, D. The rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D. Come to the next 4 line. The rhyming scheme is A, B, B, C. It is a rhyming words. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, B, C. And from close to the ground. Next you find out the rhyming scheme for next 5 lines. A, B, C, D, E. No rhyming word is present. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D, E. Find out the rhyming schemes for next 4 lines. No, out, earth, tide. No rhyming words. So the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D. Find out the rhyming scheme for next 4 lines. Out, entirely, cave, exposed. The rhyming scheme is A, B, C, D. Find out the rhyming scheme for next 3 lines. Bet, guidance, earth. The rhyming scheme is A, B, C. Find out rhyming schemes for remaining lines. Matter, choking, air, gardening, withering, done. The choking, gardening, withering is rhyming words. So, the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B, B, D. Next, you find out the figure of speech present in this poem. Come to the first line. It takes much time to kill a tree. Kill a tree. The word kill indicate the tree is the word kill indicate the tree is a person. So it is personification. Out of its leprous hide. The word leprous hide means bark of the tree. The bark of the tree is compared to the leprous skin. So it is metaphor. Come to this line. The bleeding park will kill. The bleeding park. The word bleeding indicate the tree is considered as a person. So it is personification. Thank you.